Hi friends, this is Untitled and today we are with the Samsung Galaxy M20. So this is the latest smartphone by Samsung, and this is going to be in the budget segment. How it is coming, what is the price range? We will talk about it each and everything in detail soon later in this video. Now talking about the box, what we are getting in the box, we are going to do the unboxing first and check out the box content. Here you can see it is written Galaxy M20. Also there is written it has an Infinity V display. It comes with a dual rear camera setup, 5000 mAh battery. It comes with a 6.3-inch Full HD display, dual camera setup which is 13 plus 5 at the back, 8 megapixel front camera setup. It has a Exynos processor 7904. Talking about the color, this is a ocean blue color what we got, and this is the 4GB 64GB variant. Here we are going to unwrap the polythene wrap from the box and check out what it is coming. One more thing I have forgot to tell you that the device comes with a dual 4G VoLTE support. So it has a dual SIM 4G VoLTE, but both the SIM support the VoLTE support at the same time. Now once we are doing the unboxing, here we can see we have taken out the box packing. It looks pretty much normal. There is nothing much in the box. Now talking about the box, we are getting a smaller box inside it, and what we have is the three paperwork, which is including the quick start guide. There is a region lock guide, and also there is a warranty card. These are the paperwork what we are getting in the box. Now talking about the case, we don't get any silicone case or a front cover. So this is what we are getting. The phone looks definitely premium. It has a finish of plastic at the back. Now we will boot the device, and in the meanwhile we will also check what are the other contents. So here we are getting the cable. So this is coming with the Type C cable port. So this is actually a good thing because the Samsung smartphone don't offer a Type C cable under 15,000 smartphone. So this is one thing that Samsung has definitely changed in the M series. And after the Type C, there is also a big charger because the device comes with the 5000 milliampere battery. Here you can pause the video and check the rating of the charger. Now talking about the device, I will show you also the slots. Here you can see it comes with a 3 dedicated slot. It includes the 2 SIM card slot and 1 micro SD card slot. Now talking about the display, it has a small V-shaped notch, and on the side we are getting a power button and the volume rocker key. At the back there is a fingerprint sensor. There is also dual camera setup with LED flash. There is Samsung written. It has a glossy finish and it attracts dust very easily, and it is definitely looking pretty much different. There is a 3.5mm jack in the bottom with speaker grills and also the Type C charging port. So these ports are given in the bottom. It comes with the Full HD Plus display. So here you can see the display quality is definitely rich. It has a face unlock feature including in the smartphone with the software, and in the back it has a fingerprint sensor. You can see that it also works very smoothly for unlocking the device. They're talking about the processor. It comes with the octa-core Exynos processor, which is a 7904. This is a new processor which is built in Samsung for the Indian market. Talking about the OS, it is running on Android 8.1 Oreo OS, running with the Samsung UI. Now talking about the device, it comes with the 5000 milliampere battery, which I will show you in the battery information. And here you can see it has a 5000 milliampere battery, which definitely will take some time to charge, but I guess Samsung is giving a fast charger. I haven't tried and tested that charger yet, but this is what we are getting. Now talking about the lock screen, we are getting the three types of unlock. You can do the pattern unlock. There is also fingerprint sensor at the back, and also face unlock comes with the device. Now talking about the display in the device, the display has a notch. It has a V-shaped infinity display, which Samsung is calling. You can't hide the notch, and you have the option to do the full screen apps if you want to play. Now talking at the biometrics, I have already told you it has a face recognition, fingerprint sensor. This is what it is coming in the biometrics. So talking about this is all sum up in the device. Talking about the software update, once I have booted the device, I got a software update of 102 MB, which you have to download it. But currently, it is running on the latest software. Talking about also the app, here you can see the security patch is 1st January 2019, which is the latest one what we can talk it about. Now talking about the preloaded apps what are coming in the device are very less. There is only Facebook what I can see, And here are some of the Samsung apps. There is also some of the Google apps, but other than that, there is no apps. Daily Hunt was there, but I uninstalled because I don't use that app. But overall, there is definitely no more apps presently in the smartphone. And talking about the camera, which is the important part, in the rear camera, we are getting a 13 plus 5 megapixel setup, whereas 13 megapixel is coming with the aperture of f1.9, where the 5 megapixel is coming with the aperture of f2.2. Talking about the front camera comes with the 8 megapixel camera and it has a aperture of f2.0. Here are some of the modes what we are getting in the smartphone. You can check it out. There is continuous mode, sticker, auto, panorama, HD. Here you can see the picture resolution what you can take. From the rear camera you can take 8, 6, 5 megapixel camera, and also you can shoot full HD video with the front camera. Talking about the rear camera, here you can also shoot with you can see you can shoot up to 13 megapixel maximum and the video resolution will be full HD. So this is what we can do with the device. The SDR mode is on for taking the pictures. I have clicked some pictures using that device. You can judge yourself that how the camera performs for the rear and the front of the device. Now talking about the device, it will be coming in two variants. It will be 3GB, 32GB and 4GB, 64GB. Now talking about the price, the 3GB, 32GB will be coming for 10,990, whereas the 4GB, 64GB will be coming for 12,990. This is the price point. It will be coming only through Amazon and the Samsung online store. This is all about Samsung Galaxy M20. If you have any doubts, just ask us. This is all about Galaxy M20. This is at the rate I will signing off. Please like the video, share the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below.